Alright y'all, so today we're going to be making it simple. We're going to be keeping it easy with just a little scampi. We're doing an alligator scampi. This will work with shrimp too if you don't have alligator. Alligator's just better. So we got about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of alligator meat here diced up. All of this can change depending on how many portions and rations you need. We have some lemon, we got some garlic, we got some fettuccine pasta, butter, and some white wine. Don't judge me on my wine selection. I don't like wine, so I'm trying to be the least wasteful and buy the smallest amount that I need. And then if you want to use homemade pasta, go for it. It would be 100 times better. I just currently do not have the setup to make pasta. One of these days I will. But before we get to cooking, if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start by cooking our pasta as intended, or get that water boiling. We kind of do this all at the same time. I got heat on this pan over here. We're going to go ahead and throw both sticks of butter in there. Get those melting. I'm going to throw a tablespoon of garlic in there. Then we're going to throw our gator in there. So we're going to throw 1/3 of a cup of our white wine in here. Then we're going to let our alligator fry up and our pasta cook. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so everything's cooked. We're just going to dump our pasta in. Start giving that a quick mix. And we're just going to use the juice from our lemon. Then we're just going to go ahead and get this really good mix. Get this pasta mixed in with the sauce. Get that alligator meat mixed around. Alright y'all, and there you have it, alligator scampi. If you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.